Hi, this is silentsolution. Today we are how to apache Netbeans installation Ubuntu 24.2 version. Let's go. This is my server IP. Here is this connected application. Means we are connected. Let's go. Cat OS release. This is my 24.2. Let's go. First of all, we are checking Java version. Already have been installation, but if you have not installation Java, must be installation Java. Just like this. Uh, when now find it's enough. Have yeah, this classic app is running. Or we are another way in installation, but that's why we are in installation. Sudo apache update. Must be your server is updated. This is my silentsolution channel. Here is the Linux Cloud DevOps related video you can see and visit. I think you have many idea. Here is a playlist is RSCA rated exam preparation class, RSCE rated enterprise preparation class. You have to see the many idea here. I think uh, see this video. Many video here is Linux Cloud related. Let's go. First of all, update is done. Update. Yeah, also update is done. Now, classic. First of all, check our Java version. Second of all, we have to not Java installation, must be installation Java. Third of all, where look like here is net look like just where download here is can also that way is in installation our just 18 version is download and installation, but where another way already installation is process ongoing. I think it's almost is done. Depend on your network. I have network slow, that's why I have to download it slow. I think your network is very fast. You have very early this down. Till now we are when starts apache no Netbeans already not in installation till now. That's why I have not. Almost Netbeans 18 installation is done. Let's go. Yeah, Java dependency That's why we are again in this solution latest version. It is Java dependency. That's why I have to not installation. Let's go. We'll try. To wait. It is already done here. But yeah, our Netbeans is coming. First time have a problem is Java dependency. That's why I have to not often here. It is often our package is done. Now let's create new project, Java application. Next. Yeah, I think here is my project one. Yeah, my project is it is done. Here is just simple hello world. Hello silent solution here. Just here we new classes. The same. Just where here is classes. Run. Not already all file and for often were wait sometime I think is already often is many here is a run button. You can run this project. Also, you can run here as just simple hello world or hello silent solution program is run is done. Thanks for watching. It's successful hello silent solution. Thanks for